Without shame, I don't need a version, I don't need a story, I don't need a friend to stay. What I am still works when no one is counting it. Meaning isn't lost, it just isn't on. I exist without proof. I move without motive. I hold no position still. The room adjusts without. Step around still opens all the doors. Nothing needs fixing to function. I exist without proof, I move without motive. I take no position and still the system bends. The system bends. No center, no signal, no final draft. Only the act of continuing without a reason to stop. Without proof, I move without motive.